So your furnace starts acting weird, and the first thing you think of is repairing it. I don't blame you for this, because in some cases, it is the better option. But other times, repairing could end up being your biggest mistake. Here's why. Age is the first clue. Most furnaces have an expiry date of 10 years, 15 if you take good care of it. If your system is approaching, or is past that range, then repairs become less predictable. Components wear out together. If you try to fix one part, another one could get damaged in the way. And once you're all in, the repairs can get tricky and far more expensive. Efficiency loss over time. When your furnace gets older, it loses efficiency as components degrade. Even if they still heat your house, they'll burn more fuel to do so. This happens because your furnace accumulates dirt, its components age, and the mechanical wear forces them to work harder to produce the same amount of heat. When your system is inefficient, gas bills are higher, comfort is uneven around the house, and your furnace runs for long durations. New generation HVAC systems are designed to heat the house more evenly and use energy more efficiently, reducing your monthly bills significantly. Safety and reliability concerns. As your furnace ages, safety risks increase. Heat exchangers, ignition systems, and sensors experience stress after years of use. If your furnace frequently shuts down, cycles irregularly, or struggles to maintain a set temperature, it may be signaling deeper issues. In this situation, you should immediately consult a professional, because your safety should always outweigh convenience. Repair versus replacement rule. So, when should you choose replacement over repair? Honestly, the answer is pretty simple. A good rule is, if a repair costs a significant portion of a new system, and the system is already aging, then replacement often makes more sense. On the other hand, if your system hasn't crossed that 10-year mark, and the repair is relatively cheap, you can opt for repair. While opting for repairs, you need to consider that repeated repairs add up quickly. One service call becomes 2, then 3, and so on. Each repair extends the life slightly, but increases long-term costs. This decision isn't about selling or upgrading, it's about balance. While making a decision, you should always factor in comfort, safety, and efficiency along with cost. That's all for today. How old is your furnace? Comment below Z.